Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Minecraft launcher on Xbox app, or if you're unable to install Minecraft launcher on Microsoft Store, and if you're receiving this error code that is 0x800706D9. So please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to make sure date, time zone, region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time automatically is on over here. In Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11 select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now. And once this is done, now try to install the launcher. Also make sure right region is selected. So click on region and make sure right country is selected over here and then try to install Minecraft launcher. Now the next step is to make sure that you're logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then click on sign in. Select the right account, then click on continue. Now enter the PIN or password over here. Now once logged in, open Xbox app, click on the profile icon, then click on sign out, then again click on the profile icon, click on sign in. Select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. So log in with same account over here. So once you're logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and Xbox app, now try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. So go to the start menu, click on settings, click on update and security or Windows update, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to install the launcher. Also click on get updates on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. On the bottom left here you can see library options. So click on library. On the right hand side on top here you can see get updates options. So click on get updates, and once all the updates are installed, try to install the launcher. Now try to install the launcher from store library. So click on library over here and find Minecraft launcher in the list, and if you see the install option over here, try to install the game, the launcher from store library. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the Enter key. Now this process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now during this process you will receive some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window. Now try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to make sure gaming services and Xbox identity provider is installed in computer. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Xbox identity provider. Click on get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store, and over here you will see Xbox identity provider. Now if you see the get option or install option or update option, update it, install it. In my case it's already installed, so there is no button. So install it and then uninstall gaming services. To uninstall gaming services, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command, hit the Enter key. Now this will uninstall gaming services. Once done, run the second command. This will reinstall gaming services. Paste it on the same window, hit the Enter key. This will open Microsoft Store, and then you will see the install option to install gaming services. Click on install. Click on Yes to allow and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, after the installation, now open Minecraft. Now try to install the launcher from store or Xbox app. Now the next step is to run wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset. Now this will open this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to run store troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now, if you have Windows 11, click on system and then click on troubleshoot. If you have Windows 10, click on update and security and then click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters or additional troubleshooters. Scroll down at the end. Here you can see Windows Store apps. In Windows 10, simply click on it. Then you will see the option which says run the troubleshooter. In Windows 11, click on run over here. Once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store and then click on app settings. Now this will open Windows settings and then scroll down. Here you can see the repair option. So click on repair. And after the repair, try to install the launcher. Still you're receiving the error message. Then perform reset. Click on reset, reset. And once the reset is done, try to install the launcher. Do the same thing with Xbox app. If you're using Xbox app, make a right click on Xbox app. Then click on app settings. Again, this will open Windows settings. Now again, scroll down, click on repair. And after the repair, try to install the launcher. If that does not work, perform reset, click on reset, reset. After the reset, open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So to uninstall Xbox app, type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, then click on uninstall, uninstall. Now after the uninstall, uninstall Microsoft Store. So type in Powershell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows Powershell, run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Paste it, hit the enter key. And after this, restart your computer and then copy the second command. This will reinstall Microsoft Store. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box again, and then make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the second command, hit the enter key. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now you can open Store and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to start all these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper. Set the startup type as automatic. Then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Now find all the Xbox services. At the end here you can see all the Xbox services. Make a double click on each Xbox services. Set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Do the same thing. Set it to automatic. Apply. Click on start. Then click on OK. Again set it to automatic. Apply. Then click on start and then click on OK. Again automatic, apply, start, OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Gaming Services, make sure Gaming Services are running. If not running, make a right click, then click on start. If it's already running, then make a right click, then stop it, and then we will restart it again. So stop it and then restart the Gaming Services once again, make a right click, then click on restart or start. So make sure both the gaming services are running over here. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, then click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now open Microsoft Store or Xbox app and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to delete Microsoft Store cache file. For this, open File Explorer on your computer, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open users folder, then open your username folder, then open app data folder. If you don't see app data in Windows 11, click on view, then select show and then put a check on hidden items. In Windows 10, you will see view option somewhere over here. So click on view. Once you click on view, somewhere over here, you will find hidden items option. So put a check on the box which says hidden items and you should be able to see app data. Make a double click on app data, then open local folder, then find packages folder, open packages folder. Now scroll down and find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. So open this folder and here you can see local cache. Make a right click, then click on delete. And once this is deleted, restart your computer and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box, then click on inetcpl.cpl, and then go to the advanced tab, and then scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked over here. Then click on apply. OK. Now open install and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to rename WP system and Windows apps folder. Now to rename WP system folder, open File Explorer on your computer. Go to this PC. Open D drive. Now over here you can see WP system. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WP system folder and then select properties. Go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here. Everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click on apply. OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WP system folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names. OK. Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK. Apply. OK. OK. So now you can rename it. Make a right click, then click on rename. Rename it as WP system.old. Now still you face problem. In that case you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Open File Explorer and then go to this PC. Open D drive. Then make a right click on Windows apps and then rename it. Now before rename you have to take the ownership. Make a right click, then click on properties. Go to security tab, advanced. Now click on change over here. Type in everyone in the box. Now click on check names. Then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then click on apply. OK. OK. Again OK. Again make a right click on Windows apps, select properties, security tab, advanced, and this time click on add, select a principal, everyone, check names, OK, put a check on the box which says full control, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now make a right click on Windows apps and then click on rename and then rename it as Windows apps.old. Now while renaming it, if you receive any kind of error message which says file is open, in that case open Task Manager on your computer. Make a right click on the start menu, click on Task Manager. Now if you find gaming services, make a right click and then click on end task, and also open services over here and then go to services and find gaming services. Make a right click on gaming services, click on stop. So in my case it's not running, so let me go ahead and so make a right click, then click on stop. Again make a right click and then click on stop. Make sure gaming services is not running, and then you can go ahead and try to rename it as Windows apps.old. Once the rename is done, make a right click and then start the service. Now the next step is to download Minecraft launcher from Minecraft website. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser and then click on download for Windows 10 and 11 and then run the exe file, install it, and then you can start using the launcher. But still you are facing the problem, then try Windows 7 and 8 version of Minecraft launcher. So here you can see download for Windows 7 and 8. Click on download. You can download it on Windows 10 and 11 computer as well. So try Windows 7 and 8 version, download it, install it, and use the launcher. Now, in case if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10 or 11. If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop, and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error code while installing Minecraft Launcher from Microsoft Store or Xbox app on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.